Introducing our healthy fried shrimps. The ingredients are 12 shrimps, 2 tablespoons cake flour, 1 beaten egg, dash of salt and pepper, 60 grams breadcrumbs with a tablespoon of olive oil, fresh chopped parsley. Fill the microwave oven water tank to the fullest. Peel and devein the shrimps, leaving just the tails and the last joint intact. Marinate with breadcrumbs and parsley. Sprinkle the breaded shrimp with salt and pepper. Then coat with flour and dip into the beaten egg. Add all into the breadcrumbs again. Open the stands of the super grilled tray and place the shrimps on top. Press 19 healthy fried shrimps to cook.